Hey, it's Roman Deer Park Farmstead. We are going to candle. It's day 18, lockdown day. We're going to candle and see how many went this far. We already did a couple, but I'm going to show you what we do in lockdown day. So let's go to it. So currently we are separating these eggs. My wife's putting in the Morans over there. We've got a few buff Orpingtons, and these are olive eggers in this one. Then we're going to do the cream leg bars in this last one. So we'll candle in a bit. We can only candle the really light ones, but so far we did have two over here that weren't fertile. So we are going to candle a few of the light ones to show you what they look like. Got to put a little tape on here to separate these guys.
Trying something new.
Yeah, we've never separated like this before, but we have, specific orders, so we want to keep them separated for our buyers. There's a little tiny little air pocket there. So this one's fertile. There's the line right there. All right, we're gonna do this, the leghorns. They're the most clear. You could definitely see the line right there in the egg. Fertile. See the line in there? The light and the dark. All right, so here they all are. We had 3 out of the 56. So 53 eggs that we are putting in here. That's actually really, really good. So now we'll see how they do. We put a couple really dark Morans. We want to see how well those do over here because we needed more room. So we are off. We're going to put the lid on and fire it up. Okay, we fired it back up and adjusted the humidity higher. You got to put that up about 20% higher, just depending on your incubator. That's what we put ours, about 20% higher than what we had it at. And we're off. Very excited about this. This is our largest amount, 53 eggs. Wish us luck. This is craziness. All right, 53 eggs in the incubator on lockdown. This is incredible. We're so stoked right now. So we should have our final amount in 3 days. And we can't believe how many we got out of this that were still fertile. So good job on our roosters. They're incredible roosters. We really are pleased with these guys. They're doing their job, and we're giving them, a lot of love so they know to take care of business. All right, I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Be well.